everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's small but super powerful, probiotics. You've probably heard about them, right? They're in yogurts, drinks, and even pills. But what are they really? And how can they make your skin, hair, and body healthier? Let's break it down in a super chill, easy way. Okay, here's the deal. Probiotics are good bacteria. Yep, not all bacteria are bad. Some are like your little best friends inside your body. They help keep your gut, your stomach, and intestines happy and healthy. When your gut is balanced, your whole body feels better. You get better digestion, stronger skin, shinier hair, and even easier weight loss. Pretty cool, right? So, how can probiotics help your skin? When your gut is full of bad bacteria, it can mess with your skin. You might get pimples, redness, dry patches, dull skin that looks tired. But when you feed your body good probiotics, they help clean things up inside. Your skin can start to glow and look more fresh. Some people even say probiotics help with eczema, sensitive skin, and skin inflammation. So, if you want clear, healthy skin, your gut health matters. Let's talk hair. A healthy gut helps your body absorb important vitamins like biotin, vitamin B, zinc. These are super important for strong, shiny hair. When your digestion works well, your body can use all the good stuff from your food to help your hair grow faster and healthier. Yep, probiotics can be part of your hair care game. Now let's get to something a lot of people ask about, losing weight. Some probiotics help you burn fat better, feel full faster, control sugar cravings, reduce belly fat. They can help your gut work like a fat-burning machine. When your gut is healthy, your body knows how to handle food the right way. Some people find it easier to slim down when they add probiotics to their diet. But remember, probiotics won't work alone. You still need healthy food and some movement. You don't need to take pills right away. There are lots of yummy probiotic foods you can try. Here are some. Yogurt, make sure it says live cultures on the label. Kefir, a drinkable yogurt, super tasty. Kimchi, spicy Korean cabbage. Sauerkraut, fermented cabbage, not spicy. Pickles, the ones made with salt, not vinegar. Kombucha, a fizzy, probiotic tea. Miso, a Japanese fermented soup. If you're not into these, there are also probiotic supplements in pharmacies. Start small. If your body isn't used to them, too much too fast can upset your stomach. Give it time. Probiotics need a few weeks to really show their magic. Eat prebiotics too. Prebiotics are the food for probiotics. You can find them in bananas, garlic, onions, and oats. Watch your sugar. Too much sugar can kill the good bacteria. So, probiotics are not just some fancy health trend. They're tiny superheroes working inside your body to help you feel better, look better, and even lose weight more easily. If you want glowing skin, healthy hair, and a happy tummy, give probiotics a shot. Try adding some probiotic foods to your meals or ask your doctor about supplements. Let me know in the comments if you've tried probiotics and what's your favorite. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.